Hi, it's Todd with TLF Works, and today we're going to be opening a package I received from Penn State Industries. Hope you stick around. Hi, it's Todd with TLF Works. Today we're going to be opening up this package I received from Penn State Industries. It has a couple of starter kits in it for some new pen kit designs that I'm trying out. So I've been wanting to try out the new DuraClick pen kit from Penn State Industries. They call it the Everyday Carry pen. And I have a couple of kids that take music lessons, and so I've ordered some of the music Rollerball kits. What I want to do is I want to show you what's in a starter kit when you order a starter kit from Penn State Industries. I don't always order my Penn State Industries pen kits from Penn State Industries, but when I order a new kit, I always order it from Penn State Industries so I can get their starter kits. I just cut this box open. I ordered the DuraClick starter set, and I ordered the music Rollerball pen starter set. Looks like I have a shipping document and their latest catalog. One of the great things about the Penn State Industries starter kits is you get some kits, the bushings, and the drill bits required for the kit. And a lot of times the starter kit is priced at the same price level as just buying the pen kits by themselves. So basically you're getting a free drill bit and a free set of bushings. Let's open this up. So this is the Everyday Carry DuraClick starter set. I have the 8mm drill bit, the bushing set, and 5 pen kits. Let's see, this one is aluminum, black aluminum, stainless steel. This one is a burnt bronze, and this one is brass. So we have what I believe is all 5 of the platings available for the DuraClick Everyday Carry pen kit. So let's open one of these up real quick and let's see what's in each of the kits. I have my spring and refill. Let's put those back in the bag. I definitely don't want to lose that spring. And that's a Parker style refill, not a cross refill, so I like that already, so I like that. Here's the plunger that goes on the end of the kit. The pen tube. I'm liking this pen tube. It's sort of pre-brushed already, so I'm not going to have to worry about scuffing this with sandpaper or anything. It's got a nice surface already. I'll probably wipe it off with some denatured alcohol and then let it air dry to get any oil off of it from my fingerprints, but it's got a nice texture in it already for putting together my kit. Let me get a piece of paper down so I can lay these out on the paper. I have a bag with the clip in it. I've got a nib. I've got a couple of other connectors here. We'll see what they call them in our instructions. So I've got my click mechanism, my tip coupler, my tube, my clip, and my cap coupler. I'm not going to be assembling this pen right now, but these components have a nice weight to them. They feel substantial, right? They don't feel cheap. These are all of these are solid components. Very impressed with this kit so far. Just like all of the Penn State Industries pen kits, I've got a nice instruction sheet that came with it here. Two-sided. It's going to tell you how to turn the blank, how to assemble. Gives you all the dimensions for the bushings. Looks like the bushings are the same, so the front bushing and the back bushing in this are the same. On at the front of this, it gives you the required accessories: the mandrel, the 8mm bit, the bushing set. It tells you what you need for a barrel trimming set, and it talks about a live center or a mandrel saver, and glue to glue on the blank. Very impressed with this set. Let's take a look at the music rollerball pin set starter set. So it's got the 3-piece bushing set. It's got my barrel trimming sleeves. That's nice. Here's a 12.5mm drill bit. A 10.5mm drill bit. There's everything I need for turning. And 4 pin kits. So here I have the contents. I have my 2 drill bits, I have my barrel trimming sleeves, I have the bushings, and I have the 4 pin kits. 1 pin kit is in chrome, 1's in antique brass, 1 is in 24 karat gold, and the last one is in antique pewter. So let me move all these aside. We'll open one of these up and we'll look at the components to see what they're like. So here's the music rollerball pin kit in chrome. Let's open it up. Just like all their kits, got a nice set of directions in it. Tells you everything that you need. Lays out how it goes onto the mandrel. Has turning and assembly instructions. We have the cap, which maybe you can see looks like a snare drum. Very cool. Rollerball tip. You'll notice the instructions have both the rollerball and the fountain pen instructions here. We're doing the rollerball. I have 2 couplers. I have pre-scrubbed tubes. These tubes have a great finish on them. A lot of surface area for doing your glue ups. I have a cap nut, cap, a clip, and a lower end assembly. And I put this one in the wrong place a second ago. It's the band that goes there. So we have all of the components here. My initial impression for these components is that they're nice and heavy. Got a nice guitar on the pin clip. There's decorative notes on the tip. A piano style keyboard here on the band. This is a nice looking kit. I'm real excited about putting this together. Once again, everything is in a Ziploc except for this little cap nut. Now this cap nut's going to get pressed into a tube. You're not going to see it, but still. Everything else except for that and the spring was in a zip. I couldn't be happier with the look of these pen kits. I can't wait to put these things together and then present them to the band directors and teachers that are going to be receiving these. Very excited. So there you have it, a nice quick video. 2 starter kits from Penn State Industries. Came in a box with the shipping invoice and a catalog. Both of the kits had all of the drill bits required, the bushings that were required. They have the barrel trimming sleeves. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. If you've ever been curious about what you get in a starter kit, there you have it. I hope you'll subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video and you want to be notified of future videos, when you subscribe, ring that bell also. Helps me a lot if you click that like button. Just go ahead and do that right now. Click that like button and leave comments down below. I would love to hear the experiences of people that have turned the DuraClick and the music pen kits. Once again, thank you very much, and I'll see you again next time.